Here are some helpful tips for viewing the videos on YouTube.
When you receive a link in an email, all you have to do is select it. That is, select or click on it with the left mouse button.
The link will usually be to a playlist of a series of videos related to the course that will look like this example.
These are the first 6 videos in this playlist.
You can scroll down to see more of the playlist using the scroll bar or the mouse wheel.
You can select any of the videos or select the one that says Play All, that will start with the first video in the list, and then go through all of them consecutively.
In any case, when any of the videos reaches the end of the play, it will automatically start the next one in the series.
When viewing a YouTube video, it can be viewed full screen by clicking on this button in the lower right corner of the screen.
Or more simply by pressing the F key.
It then changes to this. To exit the full screen mode, just select this button again, or press the F key again.
Here is a video example of going to full screen and back.
To play the video, select this icon.
Or just press the K key or the space bar.
To pause the video, select this icon.
Or just press the K key or the space bar.
You can also toggle between play and pause using the left mouse button. Here is a video example of going from pause to play and back.
The right and left arrow keys will advance or retard the video by 5 seconds, respectively, in both the play and pause modes.
The J key will advance the video by 10 seconds, and the L key will retard it by 10 seconds, in both the play and pause modes. The audio or sound volume can be changed in 3 different ways. First, you can use the volume control on your computer of speaker. You can also use the volume control icon on the bottom of the screen.
Hovering the pointer over the volume icon give you this. You can either select the icon or press the M key to mute the sound. The sound icon then changes to this.
You can adjust the sound level by dragging, select and hold the volume control button to the left or right.
Dragging, select and hold the volume control button all of the way to the left will mute the sound. Dragging all of the way to the right will produce maximum sound level.
The sound level can also be adjusted using the up and down arrow keys on the keyboard.
Every press of the arrow keys changes the sound level by 5%. Selecting this icon immediately takes the video to the very beginning.
Selecting this icon immediately takes the video to the end, and nothing else is done. The next video in the series will start playing.
If you select an icon like this in the upper left corner, you will get a display of the entire playlist relating to the course,
as shown here. You can then select any of the videos of the playlist, and it will then open and start playing.
If the entire playlist is not displayed, then the scroll bar can be used to scroll up or down the list.
This playlist can be closed by selecting the X in the upper right corner. It then will close and you can resume the normal viewing of the video.
Here is a video example of displaying the playlist, selecting another video, and then going back to the first video.
Chapters.
If you scroll up, or use the down arrow key. You will see the listing of chapters as in this example.
If you select any of the time codes, such as in this example,
you will be taken to the beginning of the chapter.
If you select this arrow,
and then exit the full screen, you will see a display of the chapters like this example.
This is the listing of the first 6 chapters.
And by scrolling down, you can see the rest of the chapters.
If you select any of the chapter boxes, you will go immediately to the beginning of the chapter.
You can then go back to the full screen mode as before.
In this video, we first select the right arrow in the chapter title bar. Then we exit full screen to view the chapters, and select some other chapter.
More keyboard shortcuts.
While the video is paused, you can skip to the next frame, or go back to the previous frame. This will usually be very small increments of 1/25th or 1/30th of a second.
You can speed up or slow down the video playback rate. This is generally useful for slowing down to 0.75 or speeding up to 1.25.
The pressing of numbers 0 through 9 on the keyboard will cause the play to immediately go to positions ranging from the beginning for the number 0 to 10%, for 1, 20%, for 2, and up to 90%, for 9.
Shift plus N will move to the next video. If this video is part of a playlist, it will go to the next video of the playlist.
Shift plus P will move to the previous video. This only works if this video is part of a playlist.
To see a list of handy keyboard shortcuts while viewing any video, just press the Shift key and the question mark key at the same time.
The list of shortcuts will pop up. Press Shift and the question mark key again, and the list will go away.
Table of contents.